Krishna decided to play because he's the play lord. He's the lord of play. What do we say? If you want to live with the Lord of play, you have to chant your days away. Right? You've heard that?
Yes.
It's one of our limericks, or whatever you call it, riddles, limericks maybe. So he saw this Leela Lord, Lord of Leela, Lord of play. He's the Lord of play. He's a playful Lord, and he only plays. He's playing. It's all a play. He decided to play on seeing the beauty of the forest, which gave joy to the five senses. How did the forest satisfy Krishna's senses? The humming of the birds and the melodious singing of the deer and birds brought sweet pleasure to Krishna's ears. Vrindavan was served by gentle lotus-scented breezes, carrying the cool moisture of transparent lakes filled to the brim with cool, sweet-tasting water, which you can't have. But if you insist, then in love there's no rules. Like the minds of great devotees. So this analogy here that's also given in the Sanskrit by Shuka Muni. Mahanmana prakyapaya saraswata. Mahanmana pakyapaya. The Mahajanas, the Mahants, the great souls, they have this type of mind. What type of mind? What is the mind of the great devotees? It's all these analogies of Vrindavan. Vrindavan, these qualities and attributes of the Vrindavan forest, which are serving Krishna, are giving rise in the mind of Shukadev Goswami to remember the minds of great devotees. The minds of great devotees are saturated with Vrindavan, obviously. Mora mane have Vrindavan mana. When Lord Chaitanya was traveling, then Advaita said, your mind is Vrindavan. Have man. Your mind is Vrindavan. So what is the nature of the Vrindavan mind? The devotee mind, the advanced devotee's mind. There's some attributes, some qualities of his mind, which are being told here. Gentle lotus-scented breezes carrying the cool moisture of transparent lakes, filled to the brim with cool, sweet-tasting water like the minds of great devotees. So the minds of great devotees, the first characteristic is that they're cool. They're cool. They're not burning with lust and burning with greed, kam, krodh, dushparina. They're like fire, kam, krodh, lobh. So then they're cool. Their minds are very cool, and they're also transparent. They're clear. Transparent means clear, see-through. You come to the lake and you stand at the top, on the bank of the lake, and you look over it and you can see the fish swimming in the water. And below the fish you can see the gems and chintamani stones in the bottom of the lake, glimmering their blue color and their red color and their green color. Because it's transparent, clear water.